She is a four-time champion.
Yes, she is. Like father, like daughter.
She's also been a TV host and a fitness advocate.
We are so excited to spend a little time today talking with Laila Ali. Thank you so much for being with us. We'd love to have you on Better Connecticut.
Hi, how are you?
We are excellent. So glad you're here.
So we're happy to have you, and I think it's so interesting because I guess you were the baby in the family, and I was reading that sort of shaped you. At first, your dad said, "No way, no going into boxing. I don't want you to do that."
Yes, my dad was not happy at my decision to become a boxer, but he supported me through my career. And of course, once I became a world champion, he came back and said, "I'm sorry for telling you not to do it. You've done an amazing job." So, and then he started trying to teach me how to jab at that point, which was funny to me.
Oh my goodness.
All right, you wear so many hats: athlete, home, chef, author, TV host, speaker, mom, and wife. Laila, how do you do it all?
You know, it's really about just finding balance, you know, all the time. It's an ongoing challenge for me, but I try to put my priorities in order. You know, I'm a mom first, of course, you know, and I'm reminded every morning when I wake up at 6 a.m. to get my kids ready for school, prepare breakfast for them, and then I go host my show, Homemade Simple, which comes on every Saturday on OWN, and I'm super excited to be launching our new line of Homemade Simple plant-based cleaning products that are available at select Walmart stores and on walmart.com. So I'm all about helping people live their healthiest life through the lifestyle choices that they make, the healthy lifestyle choices that they make, from the food they eat to the products they use. So I'm super excited. I'm actually in Bentonville, Arkansas today to go to Homemade Simple to meet some fans and take some photos.
That's great. You know, as a mom of two also, I love to go more natural, but you A, want it to work, and B, you just want it to be easy, and that's what you think these products do for us?
Oh, that's what Homemade Simple is all about, the show and the products, making it easy and effective. So Homemade Simple's products are effective. They actually work. I've heard people say that before because there's a lot of products on the market that they feel don't work so well. This is not going to be an issue with this product that comes in lemon, lavender, and rosemary. You've got hand soap, dish soap, laundry detergent, you know, fabric softener, multi-purpose spray. So a full line of products that you can use that are safe for your family and safe for the environment, and they're affordable.
What I love about you, you know, I did a little research, it says you won't sanction anything that conflicts with your core values, and you've actually turned down deals that could have been very lucrative. So this product must really mean something to you.
Absolutely. I mean, obviously, we're talking about a product. We want people to go and buy it, you know, and I think it's great. I want to share it with everyone, but I absolutely use it myself, and I wouldn't get behind anything that I wouldn't use. Not only is my name on the line, obviously, I'm always going to be connected to my father and that whole Ali name, and I want people to always trust me and know that I'm authentic and I don't get behind anything that I don't believe in. That's just the way that it is, no matter what it is that I'm doing.
That's great.
Yeah, that's a wonderful lesson I know you kept from your dad. I think it's so interesting that you became this champion boxer, but I guess growing up, you didn't do any sports? You weren't an athlete at all?
No, I wasn't, and that's something that I regret. You know, I wish my parents would have encouraged me to play sports, but they didn't, and I'm doing it differently with my kids. Both of my kids play sports. My daughter's 8, my son's 10. She plays soccer, he plays baseball, and we love it, but it takes a serious commitment from parents to take your kids to practice, to be at the games, you know, and that wasn't the lifestyle that I had growing up. But luckily, my kids do, and I encourage kids to get involved with sports because it helps you in so many different areas of your life.
Would you encourage them to box, Laila?
Absolutely not.
But if they come to you and say you want to do it, you'll let them?
I have to. I mean, look what happened with my father. He couldn't stop me, you know, as hard as he tried. But no, I wouldn't. I don't encourage it. I'm not taking my kids to the boxing gym like, hey, son, put on the gloves.
Right.
But at the same time, you know, if he wanted to do it, I'd have to support him.
But I think it's so interesting that it wasn't too late for you. You said you just saw on TV, like, oh, women can box, maybe I'll do that. And you would think that someone who didn't grow up as an athlete, can you become an athlete when you're older? And clearly, you did. So it's never too late.
You can do it, yeah. No, you can do anything you want to do in life. But for me, you know, it's kind of like 17, you know, was when I first saw it on television. It took me a year to train full time, 100%. And then I got into it. Women's boxing was a new sport. You know, I wouldn't suggest someone do that in men's boxing, you know, just go straight to the pros without having an amateur career. But I was able to do it in women's boxing. And then, of course, with my genes and then the trainers, I had amazing trainers, and I was able to commit to boxing fully 100%. So
Yeah.
That's great. Well, you're as nice as I think your father would have been if I ever met him. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for spending time with us.
thank you so much. Thanks
Thank
for having
you.
me on.
Oh, our pleasure. To learn more about Laila Ali, check out our website. It's LailaAli.com.